Hey, welcome back everyone. If you watched part 1, you have already learned some foundational SEO hacks to boost your blog traffic. Now, in part 2, we are getting into more advanced strategies that are trending right now in the SEO world. So, let's jump in. First, let's talk about using Google Search Console to identify content gaps. It's a powerful tool for discovering queries your site is already ranked for, but not quite in the top positions. Use the performance report in Google Search Console to find these low hanging fruit keywords and optimize your existing blog post to rank higher for them. This will give you a quick traffic boost.
Hi, do you know that one browser is an all-in-one solution? Use it just like any regular browser for all your internet needs. Access content from around the world with its integrated VPN, no extra installations needed. Create unique profiles within the browser to manage multiple accounts seamlessly without risk of suspensions. Share accounts effortlessly without handing over passwords or dealing with annoying two-factor authentication codes. Don't miss out. One browser is the must-have tool of 2024. Try it now.
Here is a simple hacks that's often forgotten. Update older blog posts. Search engines love fresh content. Go back to your older blog post and update them with new information, statistics or example. Not only does this improve your ranking, but it also helps you maintain relevance in your niche. One of the most effective ways to build links is by creating linkable assets, content that others naturally want to link to. This could be an in-depth guide, a useful tool, or even a well-researched case study. The key is to offer something so valuable that others in your industry will want to share and link to it. Next, consider repurposing your content across multiple platforms. For example, turn your blog post into social media posts, infographics, or YouTube videos. This does not just increase your reach, it can also drive traffic back to your blog. Don't just write once. Repurpose and maximize the value of every piece of content you create. Lastly, embrace AI-powered SEO tools. Tools like Surfer SEO, ClearScope, and Jasper can help you analyze search intent, optimize content, and even generate keyword ideas faster than ever. While AI is still evolving, it's a powerful ally in your SEO strategy to stay ahead of the curve and optimize your blog for both users and search engines. So there you have it, advanced SEO hacks to supercharge your blog traffic. If you put these strategies into action, you will see some real results. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow bloggers, and of course subscribe for more SEO tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more SEO hacks.